Evans finance expert, our barefoot investor Scott Pape joins us live in our Melbourne newsroom.
Good afternoon, Scott. The news today, Shell has confirmed it's selling the lot, all of its servos, everything.
It has, Matt, all 870 of them as part of a $2.9 billion sell-off to the Dutch oil trader Vitol. Now, the deal also includes Shell's Geelong refinery, and Vitol has been quick to assure workers their jobs are safe. Now, the company has also been at pains to point out that they will be keeping their alliance with Coles and the discounts that come with it. Now, Asian investors are often blamed for pushing up our property prices. Well, a new report out today from global bank HSBC shows that Australia is one of the most sought-after property investment markets globally among affluent Asians. And the stock market ended the week up, and if you read the newspapers, it's trading near a 6-year high. But put down those party poppers, because if you do a bit of maths, it's still about 20% below its all-time highs that reached in 2007. And in the markets today, NAB's quarterly report didn't impress anyone, and the stock was sold down by almost 2%. And Fantastic Furniture's half-year profit plunged 64%. The group was forced to slash already cheap prices of sofas, beds and dining settings that they were struggling to sell. Now, we all know that interest rates are at historic lows, but don't expect the banks to be cutting you any slack on your credit card. Here's what the cash rate here is in green, and here's what they're slugging you in red on your credit cards. And given Australians have about $34 billion in credit card debt, the banks, well, they're making out like bandits. And that ties in very nicely with my number of the day, which is 31 years. Get this, if you have the average credit card, which is $4,400, and you only make the minimum repayments, as about 85% of Aussies do, it'll take you 31 years to pay off, and get this, it'll cost you around $14,900 in interest. But Maddie, if you pay off $50 a week each month, your debt would be cleared in 2 years, and you've saved yourself nearly $10,000 in interest.
Wow, both of us just went, when you said that.
Good thought for the end of the week. And I'll have more full wrap-up of the day's finance on 7 News at 7, over on 7-2 Mel and Matt.
Boy, we needed your number of the day about 10 years ago, didn't we?
See
Thanks,
you soon.
mate.
Thank you.